Most businesses don't have an AI problem, they have a clarity problem. AI isn't killing businesses in 2026, it's exposing them. The companies struggling right now are not behind on tools, they are behind on thinking. And the ones winning aren't using more AI, they're using it properly. When people talk about AI in marketing, most of the conversation is wrong. On one side, people say AI will replace marketers, salespeople, even business owners. On the other side, people treat AI like a toy, using it to write captions or create images and thinking they are ahead. The reality in 2026 is very different. AI is not replacing businesses, it is exposing them. It exposes weak thinking, bad systems, and unclear strategy. At the same time, it rewards business owners who use AI as leverage, not shortcuts. And this is important to understand before we go any further. In 2026, AI by itself is no longer a competitive advantage. A few years ago, just using AI made you different. Now everyone has access to the same tools. So the advantage is no longer the technology. The advantage is how well AI is built into your business. Think of AI like electricity. It was once revolutionary. Now it is expected. Businesses that do not use it properly do not fall slightly behind. They become inefficient and uncompetitive. And that leads to a bigger shift that most people miss. Most business owners are still using AI at a surface level. They use it to create content faster, reply to messages quicker, generate ideas. That is useful, but it is not leverage. Smart business owners go deeper. They use AI to qualify leads before a human ever gets involved. They use AI to personalize, follow up at scale. They use AI to analyze conversations and improve sales performances. They use AI to support decisions, not to replace them. Marketing in 2026 is no longer about pushing messages and hoping something works. It's about building a system that responds intelligently to human behavior. And this is where clarity becomes more important than ever. AI does not fix confusion, it amplifies it. If your offer is unclear, AI spreads the confusion faster. If your message is vague, AI scales the vagueness. If your follow-up is broken, AI automates the failure. That is why smartest business owners slow down at the thinking stage, because once the thinking is clear, everything else speeds up. And this naturally leads to how winning systems are actually built. The most effective AI-powered marketing systems in 2026 follow a very simple flow. First, AI helps attract right people, not more people, the right people. Content, ads, and outreach designed to repel the wrong audiences. Second, AI supports engagement and follow-up. No leads forgotten, no slow replies, no missed opportunities because someone was busy. This is where most businesses see their biggest gains. Third, human step is where actually matters: strategy, trust, judgment, relationships. AI handles speed and consistency. Human handles connection and decision making. This balance is critical. Businesses that remove humans completely lose trust. Businesses that refuse AI lose efficiency. The winners in 2026 sits right in the middle, and there is one more shift happening underneath all of this. In the past, businesses collected data and barely used it. In 2026, AI turns data into daily guidance. Sales calls are analyzed automatically. Customer objections are tracked and summarized. Marketing messages improve based on real responses, not guesses. This changes how decisions are made. Smart business owners still use instinct, but now they can see patterns they could never see before, and this creates speed. AI has removed the excuse of not enough time. Execution speed is now a choice. The businesses winning in 2026 are not perfect, they are fast. They test quickly, they learn quickly, they adjust quickly. AI allows this without burning out teams. But here's the part most people overlook. AI does not create leadership, it exposes it. And if you avoid decisions, AI will not save you. If you lack discipline, AI will not fix it. If you chase every new tactic, AI will only accelerate the chaos. The smartest business owners use AI to create stability, predictable pipelines, consistent communication, clear reporting. They're not impressed by flashy tools. They care about resource. So the real question is not whether you should use AI. That question is already answered. The real question is whether your business is structured enough to benefit from it. If you focus on clarity first, system second, and the tools last, AI becomes one of the most powerful growth levers you will ever find. If you skip those steps, it becomes an expensive distraction. And in 2026, distractions are costly. This is the future of AI power marketing, not hype, not shortcuts, just smart leverage applied consistently over time.